My name is Don Hohman. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and I work at the Texas Joint Institute. I specialize in joint replacement, and so I take care of routine joint replacements and every version there is related to joint replacement, and then also problematic joint replacements. So if somebody has an issue or needs to be evaluated for possibly a redo operation or something like that, that's really my area of expertise. One of our goals was to really become the center for all things joint replacement. You know, if you want the best joint replacement, I want to provide you with the best options for that. And that includes, you know, all of the options in joint replacement, you know, meaning I'm an expert when it comes to partial and total, and I'm here to provide all of my patients with all of the options that exist. Because I always tell people, you know, it's not my job to tell you what to do. It's my job to tell you what your options are and to help you make an informed decision. You know, answer all of your questions, tell you what the pluses and the minuses are of a partial knee versus a total knee versus whatever it is that might be unique to your situation. I saw a gentleman today just back in the office. He's only 2 weeks from his hip replacement, and he was so thrilled he just couldn't stop smiling. You know, and when you meet people like that who are really crippled and they have horrible pain, and you take that away, you know, instantly, and they tell you the next morning, you know, is the best night of sleep I've had in 20 years, you know, and you see them back even in the office and they look like different people. You know, it's really remarkable, and it's a good feeling.